Hey guys, this is Chris with VS Landscaping. I wanted to talk a little bit today about new build landscaping construction or installing the backyards for new construction. We do a lot of these projects and I wanted to talk a little bit about how the process works, how much these things cost on average, how long they take, and dealing with your HOA. So first off, let's talk a little bit about this process. First thing we're going to do is come out and pull the measurements for the backyard. We're going to see what you want to put out in the backyard. You know, do you need a fence? Do you want to do a patio? Do you want to do a walkway? Do you want sod? Do you want artificial turf? What kind of trees do you like? Is there a specific rock or mulch color that you want? And really see what type of design you want. And then from there, we'll put together an estimate for the backyard installation, as well as a design for the backyard that'll just show, you know, where the grass is going to go, how the edge will be, where the patios and walkways will go, where the trees will go, all that good stuff. Once you're super happy with the design and the quote, then we'll go ahead and get that job scheduled. Our way our payment process works is we take a 10% deposit to hold your job on the schedule. Let's say we're not going to do it for maybe like a month. We take a 10% deposit, then we take 40% before starting the job, and the remainder after we complete the job. Let's talk a little bit about how this works with the HOA. Usually the HOA will have certain specifications for what they want to see in your backyard landscaping. This could be a certain number of trees or type of tree, or certain number of shrubs, or certain coverage percentage of grass, or certain type of rock and mulch. Usually it's going to be a certain style of fencing. And then what we're going to do is essentially put together a packet with your backyard landscaping design, the type of materials we're going to use, the style of fence we're going to do, the type of grass we're going to use, all that good stuff we put together in a packet and send to your HOA. Generally, there's an application fee for this, which is covered in our costs. Depending on your HOA, you'll get approved for this design within 1 day to a couple weeks. They're not always the fastest. Once your HOA approves the design, we can get to work, and that's when the actual build starts. For an average new build on an 1/8 of an acre or a 1/4 acre lot, when I say average, I mean having grass, edging, rock or mulch, planting a couple of trees, putting a sprinkler system in. Basically just a yard that's not, you know, a huge paver project or a water feature or other more complex landscaping features. For an average landscaping installation, we would be looking at an install time of anywhere between 3 days to a week and a half, just depending on the size and what kind of stuff we're putting in, as well as the weather. And then in terms of a cost for an average landscape installation for an 1/8 or a 1/4 acre lot, pretty much the lowest cost that we would be able to do on something like that would be around $10,000. And for an average backyard landscape installation, you know, maybe if you put in a little walkway, or you want a little patio done, or you know, you want a couple nice trees or something that's above just the absolute basics, we're probably looking somewhere between $12,000 to $18,000 for the full install, depending on what you're looking to have done. We did quite a few of these landscape new builds in the northern Colorado area. It's something that our company specializes in and that I really enjoy doing. The process is super fun, and I enjoy being able to put in the entire backyard. It's a really good time. So if you have any questions, I would love to answer them. Or if you have a new build landscaping that you'd like an estimate for, I would love to do that for you. So you can check out our website, vslandscapingco.com, or give us a call at 970-402-0245. Thank you.